Hi guys, in this video we will see how to enable or disable audio enhancement on your Windows 11 and 10 system. Very easy, right click on a start button and choose settings. You may press Win plus I shortcut key to launch Windows settings page. Here from the left side go to system settings. Thereafter go to right side and here scroll down and look for sound settings, click on it. Here go to your device which you want to enable or disable audio enhancement, click on it and here scroll down and you will find under advanced settings audio enhancement. Select an enhancement available for your device and simply if you want to disable it, choose off, otherwise default effects. So same process, go to input devices and here you will find also your microphone, click on it and here under advanced settings you will find audio enhancements. Click on a small arrow and you will find three options of device default effect and voice clarity. So if you want to disable it, choose off, otherwise device default effect, choose it. So you can easily enable or disable audio enhancement.